Alright, I might be out of frame at times, but that's okay. Okay, so, there's something important I need to do today, and I'm gonna try not to hit you off my mirror, because you're being held very tightly on, like this, on this hook thing. But anyway, I need to fix that. It's a literal mountain of clothes that, if you notice, is all the way up to my hips. If a little bit lower, but not by much. And it's like, ma'am, there are clothes in there that are clean. All of that's clean, mind you. All of that is clean. That needs to be put away. There is shit from December in there, okay? So I'm gonna try to record this entire thing and then do a speed montage of me putting my laundry away and doing laundry, because like 2021, we're trying to fix our shit. Let's go. First, I gotta put all this in the laundry already. There's a ton of clothes and I can't carry it all. BRB. Excuse me now. touch the ground, so please hear me. Oh, here we go, and it's overflow. I don't really know what tone, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh, here we go, and it's overflow. I don't know where to go, yeah, my hopeless soul. Oh, here we go, and it's overflow. I don't really know what tone, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh, here we go, and it's overflow. I don't know where to go, yeah, my hopeless soul. So, I ran out of hangers, but I cleaned the closet. Most of it's done. The last little bit are the hangers. Those are just masks. Sorry, my jackets, and then what I couldn't actually hang up because I don't have enough hangers. But yeah, I think I did well. And this is all the folded stuff. And then everything's put away like our undergarments, so yeah. Thank you for joining me. Bye. Alright, new year, new me, right? Well, not new me, more so just me trying to clean the mess that is my room. So, with that being said, I'm cleaning my desk out, so all these are empty. I'm about to spray the inside wiping down, make them all nice and Gucci, and then I'm going to organize all of this, throw the extra crap away that I don't need, and that I've been low-key hoarding. And it's like, if I haven't used you in 8 months, I'm not going to use you, so I'm going to throw you away or give it away, you know? So like, why do I have my cotton pads just chilling, like, or my cotton balls? Because I was doing my nails at home, and I'm not doing that anymore. Where the fuck am I gonna put that? I don't know, I'll figure it out. Doesn't need to be my desk. So, I don't know. And then there's just like a bunch of paper that I need to figure out. I don't know. We'll see. But, yeah, by the way, I got my hair redid. So it's all nice and colorful. You might have seen it in the previous pic or video. My hair. And that's because I'm doing like this whole series of me cleaning. I don't know, I just think it'd be cool. So, yeah. I'm gonna have you watch me clean. Let's see what is a good angle for this. Eek. Right there. Is that a decent spot? There we go. Alright. Alright, ladies and gents, I have an update for you. So I finished the drawers of my desk. I haven't done the top yet because I'm still using it as like a base front, but like I organized it and it looks super cute and clean, and I know where things are and I'm kind of getting adjusted to it, but it looks so much better. I moved this around, so this used to be the platform that stood sideways. I just picked it up. This was the initial way it was supposed to be, quote unquote. So I need to move some more stuff around to make it look nicer, but I need to figure out, well, I need to dust all of these, take everything out, reorganize everything, and I'm just, it's gonna take a lot. I can already feel it in my bones. So wish me luck. I may or may not give you an update later. I know I definitely want to show you the finished product, but yeah. This is where we're at so far. Send help because I'm dying. Okay, so update. We're getting better. This is kind of how I'm deciding to put it up for now. I may change it, but I kind of like it. Still need to dust and reorganize this area. This area is done. I still haven't vacuumed, which sucks because if you could see the amount of fur, you would cry. I'm so tired. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, this is another update. We've added a couple more things to this shelf. Mainly just move stuff around, like this has journals now, books, different things is all mixed together. Instead of the Melanie Martinez, we have the beautiful Ash Nico next to Conquer, fitting. My little Star Wars collection. Oh, excuse me. I am so sorry. My Star Wars collection, all my other little knickknacks and so forth. Melanie Martinez over here instead, and you already know what those are. This stayed the same. This is still like my throwaway corner, is like the mirror can't see it. And that's about it. I'm pretty much done with my room, aside from vacuuming, which I'm not gonna do today because I gave up. But yeah, that's all I got. I don't know what else I want to do before I finish this video. Anyways, we'll just cut it here. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope this inspires you. Bye!